Here's how to build a battle card with AI in minutes and have no hallucinations in the process. Hi, I'm Adam from Klue. I'm going to walk through 2 ways that you can build a battle card in minutes within Klue with trusted buyer and competitive data. Okay, so we're at the home base here. I'm a PMM at Asana and I need to build a battle card on Notion. The first way you can do is super easy. Klue's agents are already going out and building cards. Consider cards sections or chapters that you can pick and choose from to build your battle card. Klue's agents are going across your internal data, your win-loss data, your sales calls, your CRM and the email communications within there, and then trusted public sources to build these cards. These are going to create things like talk tracks that win, the objections that are coming up and how sellers are best handling them, or a smart summary into win stories and loss stories against those competitors. But let's say we want to add this one here, which is what buyers are saying on calls about Notion's AI automation. The way I add it to a battle card is simple. Click there, add this into the Klue AI battle card, and then we have it. So this is Klue's battle card comprised of those multiple cards we just showed earlier. The key part here is that Klue's agents are keeping these constantly refreshed. So there's no decay that you might have when you dump a bunch of documents into a notebook LM. It's going to deprecate old sales calls that aren't as relevant from a few years ago, and it's going to prioritize the most recent and relevant intel. The second thing is source weighting as well. So what Klue is doing is it's going to look across different data sources, and it's not going to give the same credence to an SEO blog or your competitor's marketing copy as it does with a win-loss interview from a buyer saying they picked Asana over Notion because of AI automation. That's a really key point to focus on when you're making a battle card that actually gets used and has the most relevant intel. The second way you can build a battle card within Klue, if you want a bit more of a custom approach but still super easy, is using Ask Klue research mode. Okay, what Klue's research mode is doing here is it's going to pull from all of those data sources we mentioned before. You can pick and choose which data sources it uses, and then it produces an output. Perfectly constructed Why We Win battle card for competing against ChatGPT. You can see all of the sources here, and then you just create card. And you can decide whether this is just for you, whether it's for a specific group, sales, marketing, or executives, whether it's for everyone. We can name the card here, Why We Win. We can choose ChatGPT as a competitor. And then you can also then schedule this. So the content in this card can get refreshed weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly with brand new intel. So again, you're not at risk of that decay like you typically see when you dump a bunch of documents into a notebook LM. So that's the second way that you can create battle cards within Klue that is super simple, super quick, but with the most relevant and accurate competitive intel that are actually going to help your sellers win deals.